Hamster Kombat cipher code for 29th stroke so the 30th of June 2024. The cipher code for today is proof. So please, if you are coming across this channel for the first time, do it to subscribe, like the video and share with others. Without further ado, let's get this started. So as usual, you go to the daily cipher. The first letter is P. That is dot dash dash dot dash dash dot, and the R is dot dash dot, while the O is triple dash 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 dash, and the F is dot dot dash dot. And that's all, guys. Thank you for watching. Stay safe.